Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about Bitcoin, and we might even have a little Bitcoin price prediction in here as well. So if you do get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Give us your Bitcoin price prediction. I want to know those down below. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over Bitcoin's price. I'm going to talk about what I think is going to happen throughout the week. So this will be out on Tuesday. Right now it's Monday, April 8th of 2024. So things are looking pretty good right now. If we take a look at the chart, we've got $71,228. It's been fluctuating. It's got the moose turning his head like, what's going on here? Checking his phone 95 times. But it's just the way it goes. So we are approaching the halving, right? We got 10 days away from the next Bitcoin halving. So the amount of the remaining supply that are going to be distributed to the miners that receive block rewards, it's going from 6 Bitcoin roughly to 3 Bitcoin. So I think it's 6.25 to 3.125, something like that. So we are 10 days away. When you're watching this, it's probably 9 days away. And I think we're going to be doing quite well this week. So Monday, which is today, we had a very nice day. 3% doesn't seem like much, but it's been nice. Considering the fact we had that little dip here from 70 basically to 69. So things have been fluctuating quite a bit as well. So yeah, that's the price point of Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the rainbow chart here. So this is a chart, somewhat famous, you can call it. And it showcases the different cycles. So here, if you take a look, you've got from 2012, on the low end, Bitcoin, what is that, $13? No, that's crazy, man. It's just weird to think about. So Bitcoin, you know, it was at $12, went up to 100, down to like 200. Sorry, went up to 400, down to 300. So typically what happens is every halving, because the remaining supply gets so scarce, Bitcoin tends to balloon, to go nuts. So let's take a look at the more modern one. This will be a lot better for us. So we're just going to reset that. We are right here, okay? So we are in the fourth halving, you can call it. So what's important to note is that Bitcoin, we're sitting at, what is it, 70. I don't know if this is even updated for that. But let's take a look. If we're gonna mimic what we've been doing, look at 2020. Okay, Bitcoin right before the halving takes a little dip, then kind of recovers right at the halving, boom, a couple months later. So if we're going by this chart, we're probably going to see, you know, maybe April, end of April, beginning of May. That's probably when we're going to start to go. So I would say 3 weeks from now. So again, let's take a look at an earlier halving here. 2016. You know, you went from a $600 Bitcoin to a 20,000. I remember this one. I knew about Bitcoin then. Did I own any? No. The moose was really broke. I was really broke. I probably could have had my hat out asking people for money. That was a long time ago. So yeah, you have these big crashes. They just happen time and time again. So basically what I think you should expect, we are going to go past 100K within a couple months. Probably get to, I think we'll get to 175 max. Then we'll dip down to like, I don't know, 60, 85. So it does matter when you get in and out of Bitcoin. You're not always going to see it at, you know, $71,000. So Bitcoin can be difficult to time. Typically, as an investor, what I like to tell people anyways, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice, but with Bitcoin, you should buy and hold it for a long period of time. Trying to time the market is difficult. It's just the way that it is. You don't know when it's going to crash. When it does crash, it crashes hard. It gets pretty difficult. So Bitcoin, what I think, within a month or two, we're going to be over 100,000 per token. And then we're probably going to go to, I don't know. I have friends that think we're going to keep going until like 2025. I would be looking to exit after 125, 150 in Bitcoin. And hopefully alts go nuts. So we could even give a little ETA price prediction here, maybe some others. Ethereum, I'm thinking we're going to hit a 10K ETH. It's very possible, very likely, if not higher. But the market cap's pretty hefty, right? It's pretty big. This thing's going to be $1 trillion market cap. Just, all these ERC20s, everything going on. I think there will be an Ethereum ETF for sure. Very likely, even though ETH is expensive and it's going to cost so much to do anything with Ethereum. It already does. But ETH, to think it's not going to blow past 5, 6, 7,000, I think it will for sure. Solana is a big question mark now. Some of my wallets, I don't even know if I'm able to send anything. So a lot of congestion going on there. Solana, what do I think we could get to? Solana is going to go to like 300 pretty easily. Market cap pretty low for what the narrative is going on right now. This person's target is $1,000. I don't know if he'll get that high. I'm thinking 800 peak of the market. You got EVAX there. EVAX has not pumped yet. Chainlink has not pumped yet. EVAX could do very well. Could do well. This thing will probably go top 5 tokens, right? But a lot of supply left. Hard to predict. But I think with the gaming narrative, I think AVAX could do well. Becker's talking about it as well. Chainlink has not moved very much. This thing could go to $200 peak. ETA. You guys want to know the Cardano price prediction? I did write it down here. I'm thinking $7 to $8 by December. And that's if we are still remaining bullish, right? So Bitcoin's going to flourish, and then the rest of the alts, the alternatives to Bitcoin, will go as well. So very hard to predict. I do want to know your predictions. Let me know for Ethereum, the major layer ones or whatnot. I would like to know. So, with ETA in particular, it's possible we don't go back to $3. That's if Bitcoin slows down. We don't know. But the alts should pump, right? Liquidity flows into Bitcoin, into ETH, then the others. I'm still holding a ton of Kopi, a ton of Meld, a bunch of stuff. So those are the major ones in my opinion. ICP is doing well. I have other videos coming out this week, so don't worry about that. So that is more so on Bitcoin. Guys, pick up a Dega Realms Element NFT. If you missed out on the ISPOs, you can pick up one of these. They start as low as, I don't think it's, was it 25? Yeah, it's $10, $50. Most people are paying 50 to 100, I find, for these. Okay, so that will get you some Dega tokens for those of you that missed out or just want to get more Dega. Very, very cheap in the sense that, instead of staking, you could just pick one up for like $10. We also have the ADA plates. Guys, if you do not have a hardware wallet, please pick one up. We have links to save you up to 25% off the Trezor, the Ledgers. I have a Tangent in my wallet. Thing has been a beauty. Use coupon code MOOSE or just click these links directly. We also have online courses. For those of you that want to get better with crypto, if you want to expedite your learning process, take an online course. I've even got a free Cardano mini course. Look at this. So learn Cardano in 60 minutes. It's a thing of beauty. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below those price predictions. We will see you. We have a ton of beautiful content. We'll chat soon.